nasanay.
Halika dito, Ninang.
No, don't hit it yet. Testing.
Ay, wala eh.
So,
You're gonna hit this, okay?
Okay?
you will hit that.
Then we go back. Ako yung asawa kong testing.
Ano ba? Hindi ka makikita ka pa ba nun? Bali, lakad mo muna siya, tapos ipadama mo muna. Ah, okay, yun. Ay, nadaya tuloy si Ronnie, hindi niya na-try.
Kaya mo. Ano pa naman, iikot pa yan eh. Come, Ronnie. Now it's Liam's turn.
Okay, you know already the right and left, remember?
No, you should not. Don't remove that. Now,
Listen.
go straight.
It's the right one. If you're supposed to not see it.
Okay.
You're supposed to not see it. That's why. Because we're playing a game. Don't remove.
Get. No.
Kumain na kami. Sige na, kumain ka. Lumapang ka na doon.
You cannot play if you're lumapang. That's cheating. That's bad. You need to cover the eyes and then you're gonna follow when mommy says
Dapat
go
nag-barbecue tayo
straight, you're
dito.
gonna
Kaya nga, mas madali pa yun. Sana hindi ka nagluto.
Pwede naman natin mag-barbecue dito.
Sabi nga sa nag-ihaw na lang tsaka.
Oo nga.
Next time.
Wala nang next time.
Buti ka kayo may garden. Kami wali. Meron din naman.
Now, Liam, you should try to hit that.
Eh sila ayan lang oh.
Ayaw niya.
Okay. No.
Ate
Okay,
Princess
you're not
muna.
gonna play
Liam, look at Princess. Matangkad pa si Princess. Laki yan, malaki yan.
I thought a tiger was me. Oy, huwag mo na basagin ha.
Wag muna.
Princess, don't cheat.
Walang madaya.
Don't cheat and don't hit it. Little mo doon.
No.
Look at the girlfriend.
Kulit ni Liam, hindi na.
No.
Ate Princess hit it.
So,
Ate Princess hit it. Patay ka dyan. Princess, huwag mong tatabaan. Pabayaan mo na sa maliliit yan.
Ayaw mo sila naman namang walang candy.
Ama naman dito.
now, straight.
Now, go rock clam.
Teka lang.
Yonde, rock clam. Rock clam mora. Nay, nay, sa'yo na rin.
Rock